2000 V6 F-150, and I'm replacing the PCV valve. This is the old valve. On my model, there's this 90-degree adapter, and then this is the PCV valve. So here's the look of the engine. It's on the left valve cover, and then this hose right here that I'm pointing to goes back up into the engine, and then it comes to right here. This is where the valve was plugged into, and then the valve goes into that hole there, and then it connects to this tube, and then there's a tube inside the hose that the 90-degree goes into, and then that hole, this just pops right up. I just kind of went underneath the hose and carefully wedged it up. My new part did not come with this elbow, and right now I'm trying to get this 90-degree elbow off so I can transfer it onto there. It was down all the way, but you might be better off trying to buy this 90-degree adapter ahead of time and just using that instead of trying to get this off, because this is getting really hard to get off and I don't want to break it. And then yeah, so I should just be able to transfer that onto there and put the 90-degree back in that hose there, and then push it back down. I'll try to make a video if I can get this 90-degree off. Hoping I don't gotta go to the store and get a new one.